Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sara Designs. In this video, I am going to explain the cutting of this panel princess ball gown for 1 year baby girl. So please keep watching this video till the end. I explain very clearly so you can easily make this princess ball gown by yourself. So no more delay, let's dive into the video. Let's see the materials we need to make this ball gown. Black velvet sequin 2 meters, plain velvet 1 meter, baby can 3 meters, lining 3 meters and zip. Let's see how it will make. Firstly, I am going to make the skirt panel. So the baby waist is 22 inches. Formula I am using waist by number of panels. So 22 by 10 panels. We get 2.2 inches, so half is 1.1 inch. Here I am going to mark 1.1 inch on waistline. Next I am going to mark the length is 18 inches. Draw a straight line. Next, calculate the bottom broadness. Waist into 4 times. So the waist is 2.2 inches into 4 times. We get 8.8 inches. Here I am marking the bottom broadness as 8.8 inches. Now join these 2 points. Now draw a curve shape on waistline and bottom broadness line. Like this. Now I am going to mark the stitching allowance on waistline 0.5 inches, on seam line 0.5 inches, on bottom line 0.5 inches. Now cut this. Now paper pattern is ready. Now I am going to cut these 3 by using that paper pattern. So the panels are ready. Now let's see the lining pattern. Now I am going to mark half waist is 8 inches. Next mark the length is 18 inches. Now mark the bottom broadness is 10 inches. Now draw a curve shape like this. Now mark the stitching allowance on every side. Now cut this. Now I am going to copy this paper pattern on the fabric. So the lining is ready. Let's see the yoke pattern. I am going to make the yoke pattern by using the measurement displayed on the screen. Now mark the length 8 inches. Next mark the shoulder 4 inches. Half shoulder is 4 inches. Then draw a straight line. Here I am going to mark shoulder slope, that is 0.75 inch. After that mark the armhole depth 3 inches. Again draw a straight line. Now mark the 1/4 chest is 5.5 inches and also mark 1/4 waist is 5.5 inches. Simply join these 2 points. Now mark the angle 0.5 inches and draw a curve to make the armhole. Here the front and back neck depth are equal. That's why I am marking the neck depth as 2.5 inch. Now Join these 2 points to draw a curved line on the neck. Now I am marking 0.5 inch from slope point. Again I am marking 0.5 inch from the slope point. Now join this line. Now mark 1.5 inch from slope point. Again mark 1.5 inch. Join these 2 points to make a diagonal line. Here mark 1.5 inch to draw a curve shape to complete the shoulder. Just follow my steps as shown in the video. Now curve this. Now I am going to cut this. The paper pattern is ready. Now I am going to cut the fabric by using the paper pattern. As you see, I have marked the stitching elements on every side. Now I am going to cut this. The front yoke pattern is ready. Now let's see the back yoke cutting. Here I am marking 1 inch for zip, rest of the allowance is as usual. Now mark the back dots for 1 inch. Join this point. Now cut this and also cut the velvet fabric also. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.